How to make a lush mannikin with milk in the oven. Very simple. First, prepare the necessary ingredients according to the list. Take the flour of the highest grade. Adjust the amount of sugar to your liking. It is advisable to use refined odorless vegetable oil. I have sunflower oil. If desired, you can add 1 tablespoon of vanilla sugar or a pinch of vanilla to the dough. In a bowl, break the eggs. Add sugar and vegetable oil. Mix everything thoroughly with a whisk until smooth. Pour milk into a saucepan, add butter. Stirring, warm everything together until the oil is completely dissolved. Pour the warm milk into the egg mixture and mix. The milk should not be too hot, otherwise the eggs will curdle. Pour semolina into the egg milk mixture and mix thoroughly, breaking all the lumps. Leave the mass for 30 minutes to swell the semolina. Stir the mass periodically. Sift the flour with baking powder and pour parts into the dough and mix with a whisk. Beat the mass with an immersion blender until fluffy. I advise you not to skip this stage because thanks to it, the finished pastry will turn out to be more airy and soft. Pour the dough into a baking dish lined with parchment and greased with butter. I have a diameter of 20 centimeters. If you have a silicone mold, then it is not necessary to lubricate it. Bake the mannikin in milk in a preheated 180 degrees centigrade oven for about 40 minutes until the skewer is dry. Transfer the finished mannikin to a platter and cool. If desired, you can sprinkle with powdered sugar. Then cut into pieces and serve to the table. Enjoy your meal.